Hello and welcome to CloudFolks HUB. CloudFolks HUB having only one mission to explain you cloud very easily. Right now we have DynamoDB series going on and we are exploring all the features of DynamoDB. Today in this video we are going to start another feature of DynamoDB known as global table. We are going to understand DynamoDB global table features using two videos. This is part 1. In this part, I'm going to explain you global tables theoretically. In the next video, we have mini lab, so you will understand all the features of global tables practically as well. So let's start global table part 1. Here, I want you to understand the use case of global table properly. And that's why here, I'm just going to introduce a specific situation, the problem and the solution. So here, let's understand the situation first. Imagine you run e-commerce platform called CloudFolks hosted in India AWS region. As you know that, as you are aware about AWS global infrastructure. If you are going to host any application inside AWS, you have to find out your user location. Let's say that if we are talking about CloudFolks, which is actually India's e-commerce platform, they will definitely host it into the India region. Why? Because as per rule, we have to host our application nearby to the user location. And for India, Mumbai region would be the best for them. Now, your platform is performing well and your Indian customers are happy with the fast and seamless experience because you are doing right thing. You have hosted your application into the India as well. But now, as your business grows, you are ready to expand globally to regions like US, Europe to serve more customer and boost revenue. You have website hosted in India. You have website made for Indian customers. Now you are expanding globally. You want that users from US and Europe will open your website and they also get seamless experience, same like Indian user. Is it possible? No, it is not. You may face some difficulties when global users are going to open your website. Now, what are the problems that you are going to face? We need to understand this first, and then you'll go for the solution of these problems as well. So, let's start with the problem. What are the technical difficulties that we are going to face? When customer from US or Europe access your platform, your DynamoDB table in India must handle all their requests. Right now, you have DynamoDB table hosted in India. But now, your customers are actually opening your platform across the world, right? So the first issue that they are going to face is high latency. Customers in US or Europe experience slow response because the requests have to travel to the India region and back. Because finally, in order to store data, they have to come to the India. In order to read the data from DynamoDB table, you have to come to the India. Here, you are using international bandwidth. As you know that international bandwidth is slow compared to the domestic bandwidth, right? So the first problem that users are going to face is high latency access, specifically global users when users are going to open website from US and Europe. Another problem that we have is actually right now we have our DynamoDB table hosted in India region. Here, let's say that I have one order table hosted in India region. Now, I don't care about high availability in case of availability zone failure because DynamoDB handles this. But what happens if India region goes down, right? I will be in trouble because in this case, my table will be down as well. So if India region goes down, it is going to affect all the users, even it can be Indian users or a global users. I'm going to face difficulties right? Because I have my table hosted in India only. And the third one is now I have international customers. Of course, my visitors will be more because number of users are now global users. So in this case, one DynamoDB table may not perform well. It will be bottleneck because now instead of managing only Indian requests, it is managing worldwide requests, right? So I'm going to face these three difficulties. Now, what is the solution of this? Of course, solution is just one solution and we call it global table. Here, if you look at this, I have one order table, and when you go to this table, here you have one option of global tables. Here, I just created one global table in the US as well. Now, once you create global table, you will find exact same replica of the table in another region. Now, here I am going to the Virginia, and look at this. I am getting this particular table here in the US as well, known as order table. Now, how this solution is going to solve all of these three problems, let me explain you. Low latency. Global tables replicate your DynamoDB data to a specific region that you choose, such as US East and Europe. Customer access the replica closest to them, ensuring fast performance. See, once you create global table, it is going to replicate all the data from the table. So how? Let me explain you. Here I am in Asia Pacific, Mumbai. I am going to my table. This is my order table. And here I am going to click on explore item.
Sorry, I know that you want to watch full video, but full video is now not available on YouTube. If you want to watch full video, I want you to go to our website. When you will go to our website, you will find out our course 100 Days YouTube Challenge. I want you to enroll for this course by paying only 499 rupees for lifetime if you are from India. If you are from outside of India, you just need to pay $7 US. Once you will enroll to this course, you are going to get all full videos over there on our portal. You are also going to get certificate after completing the course, and we have just uploaded 120 videos. We are going to upload another 120 videos as well. So there will be total 240 videos. I hope we are going to meet inside the class. Thank you very much.